If you have irregular periods, weight gain, or difficulty in conceiving, then you might be among 1 in 10 women with PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. This complete guide will help you understand, manage, and thrive with polycystic ovarian syndrome in 2025. I am Dr. Swadha Kotpalliwar, a gynecologist and women's health expert practicing at Auradel Clinic, Nagpur. With over 12 years of experience managing PCOS patients, I have helped hundreds of women navigate from diagnosis to successful pregnancies and beyond. PCOS does not define you. Proper treatment does. Understanding PCOS and breaking down the confusion. So, polycystic ovarian syndrome affects approximately 20% of the women of the reproductive age group. Yet, many remain undiagnosed for years. It is not actually about the cysts in the ovary despite its name. It is a misnomer. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal disorder affecting your menstrual cycle and ovulation, insulin processing and metabolism, testosterone levels, long-term health like diabetes and heart disease risk. So, PCOS may present different in women, but watch for these signs. Irregular or missed periods, cycles longer than 35 to 40 days, excessive androgen signs, unwanted hairs on face, neck, chest, severe acne and male pattern thinning of hairs, weight management issues, especially around the midsection, darkening of the skin areas which we also call as acanthosis nigricans, particularly affecting neck and underarms, difficulty in conception, mood changes like anxiety or depression. Proper PCOS diagnosis requires comprehensive evaluation, detailed menstrual and clinical history, physical examination including BMI and signs of androgen excess, blood tests, hormonal tests like testosterone, LH-FSH ratio, fasting insulin helps us in diagnosis. And last but not the least, pelvic ultrasound to examine ovary appearance and structure. Additional tests like thyroid function, glucose tolerance, and lipid profile can also be done. We also use the Rotterdam's criteria to diagnose polycystic ovarian syndrome. In this criteria, at least 2 of the 3 symptoms should be present for you to have polycystic ovarian syndrome: irregular periods, excessive testosterone androgen levels, and diagnosis of polycystic ovarian syndrome on ultrasound. Comprehensive PCOS management and strategy. PCOS management is personalized and multifaceted. Lifestyle foundation, structured nutrition plan focusing on low glycemic index foods, regular exercise combining cardio and strength training, and weight management. Even 5 to 10% of weight loss helps significant improvement. Medical management. Hormonal contraception helps us to get regular cycles and it also decreases androgen levels. Metformin for insulin resistance and metabolic disturbances. And some fertility medications if pregnancy is desired. Fertility support. Ovulation induction with medications like clomiphene and letrozole. Intrauterine insemination, that is IUI if required. IVF for complex cases. Yes, we provide complete care from conception till delivery. And the most important, lifestyle optimization before you plan to conceive. PCOS, pregnancy and long-term health. PCOS does not prevent motherhood but requires special care. Preconceptional counseling and optimization. Close monitoring during pregnancy for gestational diabetes mellitus and other complications, delivery planning and postpartum care. We stay with you throughout your pregnancy journey. Long-term health management, diabetes prevention, cardiovascular health and bone health monitoring, family planning and contraception choices for polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is manageable and your dream of motherhood is absolutely achievable with proper care. Don't let symptoms control your life. Schedule a proper PCOS evaluation today. Virtual consultations are available worldwide. I am Dr. Swadha Kotpalliwar. I am here to walk with you one step at a time.